Hello and welcome to our mobile app introduction and automated dialing. What we're going to do today is we're going to cover these new mobile apps we have for RevEngine. You may click these links on your mobile device to download those apps from the App Store. And we're going to talk about automated dialing. Mainly, how do we follow up with people who open or click an email in the moment of their interest and make sure that we are accountable to doing the sales work needed to generate demand. We're going to go through the steps here outlined below, and we're going to be able to answer any questions you have if you respond to this email, or use this calendar link if you're interested in scheduling time with us to go over this. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into our system and we're going to set something up here. So what we do is we go over to and we're going to create a campaign called the calling campaign. And in this campaign, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a manual call and then a voicemail. And if you want, you could set up a text. So if you were back here, you would get create campaign. You would go call follow up. Hit save. You're going to go under campaign configuration. You're going to add yourself as a user. You're going to decide whether or not you want to allow multiple people into the queue to call them again, and definitely want to enable stop on response. So add yourself as a user. I like these features to be on for this. Hit save. Add an event, manual call. The next event is a voicemail. You're going to want to go to recordmp3online.com to record a voicemail and select the custom time of if it's during business hours, 8 to 5. Hit save. And lastly, up to you, but we do sometimes add a text. What we like to do is we like to say something like, hi, contact first name. I just tried to reach you regarding insert offering or service. If you are interested in a consult or more information, please simply respond with yes or book time with me here. Then you insert the calendar link, period, then hit save. Custom time again should be if it's during business hours. Hit save. Now you have your manual call, voicemail, and text set up. So now you're going to publish this campaign, and then you're going to go back out of this like this. I'm going to delete this because we already have one in here. Now you go to triggers, a new basic rule, call, follow up, trigger. Hit save, choose the trigger. You're going to do this based on email events, add a filter, add an event, opened, add an action, add to campaign, the calling campaign. You go up here and you hit publish and you hit save. When you do that, then I suggest you duplicate this and then change this to clicked. So now you have two triggers, one for opened and one for clicked. What you're going to end up with is a calling queue that looks like this, where you get people who are clicking and viewing your email, your information, and you can follow up with them by clicking Let's Start. As you do that, it'll pop open a call with this person, knowing that they hit your website. When you hang up, if you select No Answer, Busy, it'll drop a ringless voicemail and a text. So I'm going to hit No Answer. And now I know that the next lead is going to be called in a second. So you just click this next button if you want, and it will go to the next lead. Similarly, if you want to do this on your phone, there's another video in the email here that will show you how to do that. If you ever need to pause, you can just click this big red pause button. That's all for now. Thank you.